Hi guys, this 4-foot LED vapor pink light offers adjustable power settings from 30 to 60 watts and color temperature between 300 3000 K and 6500. It delivers up to 7800 lumens for bright, even light while reducing energy using compared to traditional fixtures. This is IP65 retail cells housing is built to withstand water, dust, and thought environment like washing, wash down areas and parking structures. The durable polycarbonate design ensure long service life, making it a reliable choice for industrial and commercial space.